That's Cherry there. Now let's move on to the weather. We've had some really windy weather, windy days this week, haven't we? Is it going to carry on into the weekend?
We have. We've got more windy weather to come. Unfortunately, we've had Storm Gareth keeping us company earlier in the week, and we've got another stormy system coming our way for the weekend. Watch this space. Stormy skies and seas at Kimmeridge Bay today. That photo there taken from St Aldham's Head by Jason Selman.
Threatening grey skies in Thrupp too. Anthony Morris sent this one.
But the wet weather gave way to blue skies for many. Alan Mutton, thanks very much.
And there were some blue skies to be had at times today, once we saw off the worst of that wet weather first thing this morning. It's been pretty blustery, though, through the course of the day, but some moments of spring-like weather, as we see here at East Cowes. Now, tomorrow will be another windy day. There will be some sunny spells for some of our region. Elsewhere, though, we'll see some rain and drizzle lingering. Overnight tonight, the cloud builds in from the west ahead of some wet weather arriving with one or two rather heavy pulses as it tracks eastwards. Behind it, we'll see some lighter, patchier rain and drizzle. And it's going to feel windy. The wind's picking back up towards the end of the night. We're looking at gusts of around 40, maybe even 50 miles per hour. So we get started on a blustery note for first thing tomorrow morning. Friday, there will be some spells of rain across the region through the morning. Into the afternoon, it's to the south of the M4 corridor where we see that rain lingering, some patchy rain and drizzle. Further north, though, the best of any bright skies. Some sunny spells possible here with highs of 14. Those wind gusts still on the chart, though. 45, maybe 50 mile per hour gusts are possible as we go through the day on Friday. So your inshore waters for tomorrow will be west or southwest, 6 to gale 8, perhaps severe gale 9 later, and the sea state will be rough. On ahead to Saturday, and we have our yellow weather warning in place from the Met Office. This is for wind gusts, which could well be at around 50 or 60 miles per hour, perhaps even along the coast, touching at 70 miles per hour gusts. It looks like we'll see a largely dry day, quite blustery, and there is the promise of some wet weather as we go through into the evening period as well. It looks like that wet weather sweeps on through during the overnight spell. Behind it, we do see some showery conditions, and that's what takes us into Sunday morning. You can see the isobars on the chart. It's going to feel cooler, and we do have some chilly conditions, some strong gusty winds to take us through the day on Sunday as well. A little bit more in the way of brightness, however. There is a light at the end of the tunnel, it has to be said. Things do look to settle down into the new working week.